Right here I have the headphones that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing these 30 decibel headphones that are going to be great for working outside in the garage, whether you're doing a lawnmower, a snowblower. Those electronic snowblowers are getting kind of loud. These also are going to work great for construction, and it's going to cancel out 30 decibels of noise. These are amazing and I absolutely love them. I'm just going to go ahead and put these on. As I throw these on, it feels amazing on my head. Very comfortable, and I can definitely tell this is canceling a lot of noise right now. I love how you can get these in different colors. This is going to be the orange. You can get this in like pink, green, or just like regular black. Now, what's special about these is it actually has built-in Bluetooth, so you can take phone calls and you can also talk to Siri and Google, and you can play music on here. So that's going to be crucial when you're out there cutting the grass. Maybe you're in your workshop, on the job, on construction, and you have to protect your ears from the sound. This is also a nice way to just play a little bit of music as well, because if you do have normal headphones to play music, you may not actually be protecting your ears from loud noise. There's so many other features that these have to offer. So if you do get a phone call, all you gotta do is just press the middle button one time. That's gonna answer the phone call. Now, just say that you're cutting the grass, phone's ringing, you don't wanna answer the phone because maybe you're listening to your favorite song and you're jamming. All you gotta do is long press that power button, and that is gonna ignore the call. Now, you can also long press on the sides to skip a song, and you can also short press each side to turn up the volume left and right. So that's gonna really dial it in so you can listen to your favorite songs. Now let's talk about the fitment. I am wearing a beanie right now, so this fits over my head, no problem. If you are wearing a hat, I think it's still gonna be comfortable. We got a lot of adjustability all the way throughout. There's gonna be actually a foam padding on the top, and then these are also gonna press all the way down, pull all the way up really easily. So when you put them on, it's gonna make it really functional. On the bottom here, we're gonna have a Type-C, and that is gonna come with the kit. So you can charge this up. It's going to go to a USB. We also get an auxiliary, and they do give you a cable. So we got the Type-C right here, pretty long cable, gonna be great for your workshop. If you gotta put this in your car, your laptop, charges up really quick. So it's about 2-hour charge time. And guys, the best part about this is you actually get 120 hours using this. So here is the cable. This cable is actually nicely woven too, so it's really comfy. If you do gotta like throw this on the inside of your shirt, it's actually gonna be pretty comfortable. Now, the absolute best part about these is gonna be these run up to 120 hours before you need to charge it. And that is amazing, because if you are on the job, you keep this in your work truck or whatever, it's gonna last a long time before you have to charge it. Super comfy. And mind you, on here, this is a padded material on your ears. I think you can also get these in a gel form as well, but I do think these are really padded. I absolutely love these. If you're looking for a nice ear protection that also doubles down as a Bluetooth in answering phone calls and stuff, this is definitely a must-have. I love these. I'm gonna use them all the time. Add these to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.